Welcome back to the Hobby Link International Forum. That's right. We have a new forum up and running, and we'd like to invite you all back to join up and start posting your builds. The other crappy ass discourse is gone. Hated the infinite scroll, hated how everything was all over the place. We're back to a traditional old man forum because most of us are older and used to these kind of forums, and we like them better. So this is going to be a quick video. It's not going to be a tutorial or anything like that. You are now on the HLI forum, which is hobbylinkinternational.community.forum. You come over here and you can log in, or if you have an account already, or you're going to hit register. When you hit register, you're just going to fill in everything, click that I am not a robot, I agree, and then you're going to have to get to your email, click the verification email, and you are in. Now that I'm in, this is just a regular form like we used to. Up here's your category, up here's where you can post inside of everything. We've got the members lounge, build logs for almost everything you can think of. We got showcases for your finished models here. We have our 3D print workshop, our group builds, our official group builds. If you want to start your own group build, or you have one going on YouTube, post it over here. Tell the fellas to come over, post their pictures, and we can follow along. They can put links in, everything they want. This way we can go check out their channels and also their builds. There's a showcase also for those finished builds, tips, tools, and references. HLI After Dark for people that like those naughty builds, but they can't be too naughty, otherwise you get kicked off the site. We have a lot more that's going on over here. You got your What's New Media. Media will show you all the pictures that people have posted. This is all for finished pictures, and you could come over here and check them out or post your own in the media gallery, whatever they go under. Like I said, this will be for your finished pictures. Over here is our HLI group builds from 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Everybody that participated in those. Next up, we have resources. Resources are over here. This is anything HLI is going to post. This is where you can post your YouTube channels. This way everybody can find you and you can see them over here. A lot of people have, well, I'll click it anyhow. You can see us that already put ours up. This, we're going to put up vendors, and we have our two here, and form how to index, and that's going to be like tutorials and stuff like that. So basically, we're back to a regular form, which we all enjoy. It's so much easier to post on and see everything that's going on. Hopefully invite your friends, make new friends, and I'd love to see all your builds. Also down the side over here, we're going to keep a running calendar so you know when those group builds are going to end, and I'm sure some people are going to wait till this thing is down to like 5 days. So thanks everybody for coming to check out the video. I really hope to see you guys back on the forum. I want to see your models, your 3D prints, all of that good stuff. Like to make a bunch of new friends. If you have any trouble on the site, as always, just ask me or put it in the help desk or questions, and I'll be glad to help you out. So will Spence, Paul, and anybody else on the site. I'll see you all at the site soon enough, guys. hobbylinkinternational.community.forum.